Welcome to this updated guide on how to make specific friends see your post on Facebook. In today's digital age, privacy and customization are more important than ever, especially when it comes to social media. Facebook offers a convenient way to control who sees your posts, allowing you to share content with only the people you choose. Let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on What's on Your Mind to start creating a new post. This could be a text update, a photo, or even a video, whatever you want to share with your selected friends. Now, look below your name in the post creation box. You'll see an audience selector, which usually displays as Friends or a globe icon. Tap on this selector to adjust who can see your post. You'll be presented with several options, but for our purpose, tap on See More. This will open up additional privacy settings. In the expanded options, choose Specific Friends. This feature allows you to handpick exactly who you want to see your post. Scroll through your list of friends and mark the names of those you want to include. You can select as many or as few friends as you like. Once you've made your selections, tap on Done to confirm. Now that you've customized your post's audience, finish writing or adding media to your post. When you're ready, tap on Post to share it with the specific friends you've chosen. Your post will now be visible only to those individuals, ensuring that your content reaches exactly who you intend. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing personal updates, photos, or videos that you don't want to be public or visible to all your friends. By following these steps, you can maintain privacy and control over your Facebook posts, making your social media experience more personalized and secure. Whether you're sharing a family update, a funny meme, or a personal achievement, you can now do so with confidence, knowing that only your chosen friends will see it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Facebook experience.